dick so good, licking on my glands. I look better when I butt. So much cum in her eye about to crush. I just wanna. Sorry. Thank you for the fight, $2. Barlow hasn't thrown a single punch with conviction. Yeah. I'm not drinking coffee. I never drink coffee. Bro, it's a lot of rocket now. Oh. Fucking win by KO, one of you. You pussies. I ain't paying you extra, man. I'm not doing the fighter pay thing. You made Lucas Tracy retire, you fucking idiots, man. These guys have the audacity to ask for more money. Give an entertaining product, please. Fuck, man. Feels like there's like 5 fighters in the UFC these days where you're like, this guy's going to be fun. Other than that, there's no one.